How we can install Eclipse. So firstly we need to find Eclipse page. For this purpose in our browser we can type Eclipse, install Eclipse, and it should show us results. So here is installer and ESF sharp packages. So here is Eclipse Foundation page, Eclipse org downloads. Here we can find several products which Eclipse developed. This is IDE, this is GDK, Turmarin, and also additional IDE like Eclipse Chair, Thea, and here are also JT server and Glassfish server. Uh, what more enterprise projects, Glassfish and JT. So we can download packages or installer. So here is packages and here is installer. So you can see step by step how we can use installer, download, then start installer, then select IDE and select folder, and after installation we can launch our application. So here is Eclipse packages. So here we have Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java. It includes TypeScript, JSP, JSF, YAML, Markdown, services, GPA. So it's more bigger. It has 500 megabytes. And here is more simpler installation package. It has only 300 megabytes, and it has Java, Git, XML, Maven, Gradle integration, and also we have different additional versions for Java DSL, for C, C++, Eclipse code developers, and for PHP developers, for committers, different versions. So this is packages which we can download and run this application. So we, for Windows, we need to select CPU type and packages. So here button to download, it asks us to donate. So we can one time monthly donation make using PayPal or credit card. So of course if you don't have additional money you cannot pay. Okay, so I pause while it's downloading. So okay, it downloaded, and while it downloading we can find resources. Here is we can find all revisions, and here is documentation where we can find. Also here is some links to where you can find improvements for Eclipse on YouTube channel. So you can review all updates. Our zip. So as you can see, this is zip, and here we have Eclipse exe. So it's already ready Eclipse to use. You just press this exe file and run Eclipse. So the other way is to use installer. And we should find, here is on the top, for Windows installer. So let's download it. Okay, it asks about the nation again, so we you can see that we have application type. So this is running uh, up. So let's open it and it start. So here we can find Eclipse for IDE, for Java developers, enterprise, but I don't need, I use for Java developers. So here we can see installation folder and we see Java 21 plus virtual machine. So it installed JRE. We can use 21 or 23. Download to package folder and this JRE, it use this JRE to run uh, Eclipse application. Eclipse is this is jar file application. So let's install. Now we can launch IDE. So we can use icon or we can from installer run or Eclipse IDE. So it asks us to create workspace. So launch. It creates this workspace in user folder. So we open it our Eclipse. So here is additional links to tutorials, how to create project, how to check out from Git, samples, tutorials, overview, so we can hide it and close. So let's review and try to create new projects. So here we can create project, how we can class, exception, but we use another link. So here is a Java project. We need to define name. Then we select JRE and we can select version different. We can change to specific and let's continue. So it generate project. Here is project, add module info, and we can create class. So here we need to provide, we have package, we need to add static void main to run, and also we need to provide a name for this class. Okay, let's call it test, finish, and so we have this class. Let's write system out println and write some string to print it. So now we can run it using this run button. Okay, so in console we can see hello, which we. So here we in console we can see what it used JRE. So you can see where it located with their user name, user folder, and then p2.p2, and here is JRE file, which called when execute code. So it downloaded in that folder Jerry. Yeah. So what next? Here is run configuration. We can define auto Jerry. So here is our default, and we can environments in choose an alternative Jerry, which we installed. So here it is. and use preferred for you GTK or GRE to execute code. That's all.